Meatball Days just about every Sunday, but right now we're going to tell you about a national event coming up this week.
So we turn to a guy who knows a thing or two about meatballs. Here's Michael Gargiullo.
Thanks, guys. My guest right now is Andrea Belfiore. He's the chef behind ItaliaLikeLocals.com. Chef Belfiore, piacere oggi. So great to see you.
Piacere, Michael. Ciao, come stai?
Sto bene, lei. We're going to talk about meatballs. It's so exciting. Now, we have to be careful still with the pandemic, but you have come up with a way to teach people how to cook real Italian meatballs like a pro and do it virtually. How can you do that?
Perfecto. So we at Italian Like Locals, we've been teaching cooking classes with companies and people all over the world. So I feel grateful for that, to share my culinary knowledge, especially from Italian, with everybody.
Now, a lot of your skills come, as so often is the case in Italy, from your nonna, from your grandmother. Tell us about what she taught you and how you're teaching other people to do that.
So, perfect meatballs. Actually, in Italy, we call them polpette.
Polpette.
So it's polpette, bravo. Very, very simple. You need only very few tools. Okay, I have a bowl, and then just your hands. Okay, Michael?
Got it.
So, a bowl and my hands. Ingredients, very, very, very simple. I'm using 1 pound of ground beef. And then I'm going to put 2 sausages, pork sausages, Italian. No sweet, nothing else. If you do not like pork, do like my grandmother. Don't say anything, okay? Now, parsley, garlic. Parsley, garlic. It's about 1/4 of a cup of chopped parsley and 1 garlic clove, okay? Now, Parmigiano Reggiano, a lot of it. Don't trust recipe that tells you to use just very little bit of cheese. You need as much cheese as possible, okay, to make our meatballs nice and tasty. Then, bread. This is 1-day-old bread, and I soak the bread with milk to make the bread nice and moist. And I'm gonna squeeze the milk out, and I'm gonna put it right inside my bowl with the meat and everything else, okay? Next thing, 1 egg. So the egg really brings everything together, okay? The egg. To end this, a pinch of salt, and crushed black peppercorn. Bam, that's it. Now, I like to get my hands dirty. You can mix this with your fork, but I'm just gonna mix everything with my hands, okay? I just really wanna combine all those ingredients. Now, another question for you, Michael. Do you like them fried, baked, or with a sauce?
So in my family, we always fried the meatballs. Is that okay?
Yes. Fry them, it's perfect. I actually fry them first, and then after you fry them on a sofrito, which is olive oil and some onions, you're gonna add the sauce, and this is the result.
Wow.
So you have some fried meatballs with a sauce.
This has been so much fun. I want to say to you, mille grazie. It has been just fantastic, and I hope to see you soon. But once again, we want to thank Chef Andrea Belfiore for joining us and getting ready for, yes, National Meatball Day. For more on those classes, log on to that website, ItaliaLikeLocals.com. Now, let's go back to you guys and we say, mangia mangia.